In today's video, I am going to teach you how to understand Wizz Air baggage policy. Start by going to the Wizz Air website. If you are already logged in, stay on the home page and scroll all the way to the bottom. In the footer section, look for the Help Center link and click it. Once you are in the Help Center, find the section called Booking Information and Services. Open that section to view the available travel and booking topics. From there, click Baggage. This will take you to the page where Wizz Air explains its current baggage rules and allowances. On the baggage page, select Baggage Allowance. This section gives you the main information you need before your trip. Begin by reading the details about the free cabin bag allowance. Pay close attention to the maximum size and the weight limit that Wizz Air permits. This is important because cabin baggage rules can affect what you are allowed to bring on board without paying extra. Next, review the section about Wizz Priority. This part explains when you are allowed to bring an additional cabin bag. If you are considering adding priority services to your booking, this section will help you understand exactly what extra baggage benefits are included. After that, scroll down to the checked baggage section. Here you can see the baggage weight options that Wizz Air offers for checked bags. Review the available limits carefully so you can choose the option that best matches your travel needs. Keep scrolling to find the baggage fees information. This section explains how much checked baggage and other baggage services may cost. It also shows that prices can vary depending on when you purchase your baggage allowance. In many cases, buying baggage earlier can be different in price compared to adding it later. If you are traveling with special items, continue reviewing the page and any related frequently asked questions. Look for information about sports equipment, musical instruments, and baby equipment. These items often have their own rules, limits, or handling requirements, so it is useful to check them in advance. When you are finished, return to this page anytime you need to confirm the latest baggage rules before your flight. This is a good habit because airline baggage policies can change, and checking the official information helps you avoid issues at the airport. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.